alert weather.
Well, we have a first alert weather day in place for dangerous heat and strong to severe storms today. And as we take a look at our Prairie Bank Casino and Resort live storm tracker, we saw some showers and storms move through this morning, but that complex has moved off to the northeast and is moving through Iowa right now. And so we are seeing our atmosphere recover here in northeast Kansas with our current temperatures in the 80s and our heat index values feeling like it's in the 90s, mid-90s at that. And we will continue seeing that to trend upwards as we go throughout our day. So it will feel like it is near or above the triple digits as we get into the later afternoon hours as we see peak heating for the daytime. Current wind speeds are between around 10 to around 30 miles per hour depending on where you are in northeastern Kansas. So that is just amplifying that hot feeling that we are seeing right now. Over the next 24 hours, we will rise into the 90s, then drop into the 70s overnight. Our feels like temperatures will peak out near the 100-degree mark or may even pass that mark, and then we will feel like we're in the 80s as we go into the overnight hours. And our wind speeds will be sustained between around 10 to 20 miles per hour throughout our day, with gusts up to 40 miles per hour at times, not related to the storms that we may see. Storms may start firing up between around 4 to 7 p.m. as you can see from our high-resolution supercast. We could see some supercells or maybe clusters of cells start to pop up, then congeal into a line of storms. That line moves throughout the area between around 7 and 10 p.m. and then we have those storms move out after midnight. So we need to keep our eyes on that, but we also have another round of storm potential tomorrow that may actually form to our southeast. So there may be some updates as far as that forecast goes, but stay and monitor that here on WIBW. We will have very large hail, damaging winds, and a few tornadoes with 1 or 2 that may be strong within the enhanced 3 out of 5 risk that we have over our area. And tomorrow we are in a marginal and slight 2 out of 5 risk. And if storms form in our area, we could see large hail and damaging winds. Today's forecast, I am forecasting 80s and 90s with those storms possible. Storms continue into tonight as we are in the 70s for those lows. And then tomorrow for your Thursday, we will be in the 80s and 90s with those partly cloudy skies and that potential for storms late. Once again, that first alert weather day today, staying warm and having off and on storms throughout the rest of the week, then cooling down to start your week next week before a warm up midweek.